crash course on Ireland, local customs, city guides, hidden gems, and travel itineraries. Ireland, a land of captivating beauty and warm hospitality, welcomes travelers with open arms. To make the most of your journey, it's essential to understand the local customs, explore the vibrant cities and hidden gems, and embark on exciting day trips to neighboring attractions. Let's delve into the unique cultural norms, city guides, hidden gems, and travel itineraries that will make your Irish adventure unforgettable. Local customs and etiquette. Irish people are known for their friendliness and charm. When visiting someone's home, it's customary to bring a small gift, such as chocolates or flowers, as a token of appreciation. When dining at a pub or restaurant, it's polite to wait to be seated, especially during busy hours. The Irish take great pride in their language, so a simple "Dia ditch," hello, or Sláinte, cheers, will be warmly received. Respect for nature and historic sites is essential, as Ireland's landscapes are sacred to its people. City guides and hidden gems. Dublin, Ireland's capital, is a bustling city filled with history, culture, and entertainment. Explore Trinity College, the Temple Bar District, and the Guinness Storehouse. But don't miss the hidden gems like the Little Museum of Dublin or the charming neighborhood of Stoneybatter. In Galway, known for its bohemian atmosphere, you can stroll through the Latin Quarter, savoring live music and street performances. For hidden gems, venture to the nearby Aran Islands or the picturesque village of Clifton. Day trips and excursions. From Dublin, take a day trip to the historic town of Kilkenny, with its medieval castle and charming streets. Another option is the breathtaking cliffs of Moher on the west coast, a natural wonder not to be missed. From Galway, journey to the Connemara region, where rugged landscapes and serene lakes await. Or venture to the Burren, a unique limestone landscape with fascinating flora and fauna. Travel tips and itineraries. Ireland's temperate climate means packing layers is wise, as the weather can change quickly. Public transportation is readily available, but renting a car gives you the freedom to explore hidden gems at your pace. For budget-friendly options, consider staying in charming bed and breakfasts or hostels. Top 12 attractions of local customs, city guides, hidden gems, and travel itineraries in Ireland. 1. Trinity College and the Book of Kells, Dublin. 2. Temple Bar, Dublin. 3. Guinness Storehouse, Dublin. 4. Little Museum of Dublin, Dublin. 5. Stoneybatter, Dublin. 6. Latin Quarter, Galway. 7. Aran Islands, County Galway. 8. Clifton, County Galway. 9. Kilkenny Castle, Kilkenny. 10. Cliffs of Moher, County Clare. 11. Connemara, County Galway. 12. The Burren, County Clare. Summary. As you embark on your Irish adventure, embrace the local customs and etiquette that reflect the warmth of the Irish people. Explore the vibrant cities, uncover the hidden gems, and savor the stunning landscapes on exciting day trips. Whether you're roaming through Dublin's historical streets or discovering the rugged beauty of Connemara, Ireland's charm will leave an indelible mark on your heart. Poem. In Ireland's embrace, a journey begins, where culture and kindness entwine within. Through cities and gems, we'll roam and explore. A land of enchantment, forevermore. Dublin's heart beats with history's call. Trinity's treasures, majestic and tall. In Temple Bar's rhythm, music will sway, as stories are woven in songs that they play. Galway's charm, a bohemian delight. The Latin Quarter's embrace, a symphony of light. On the Aran Islands, time will stand still, as we wander their beauty, a moment to thrill. Kilkenny's castle, a tale from the past. Kissed by the Burren's limestone, a landscape vast. To the cliffs of Moher, where seagulls soar high, a breathtaking canvas that touches the sky. Connemara's vistas, a haven to explore. Nature's masterpiece, a treasure to adore. Through winding roads, we'll journey with glee. In Ireland's embrace, forever we'll be. Summary. In Ireland's heart, beauty and warmth unite. City guides and hidden gems, a traveller's delight. From Dublin's allure to Galway's embrace. A journey of wonder, a memory we'll trace. In custom and culture, we'll find our place. In music and art, our spirits will race. With day trips and tips, we'll wander afar. In Ireland's embrace, where dreams become stars. Ending note. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?aid=7989335. Thank you for kind support our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.